Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about websites that helped me improve my coding skills after when I took the boot camp for web development from the University of Texas back in 2017. Before I get to the content, please be sure to like this video, subscribe so you can get more content in oil and gas and professional development topics, and please be sure to comment on the video below on the YouTube platform so I can incorporate your feedback into future videos. Please be sure to hit that notification bell when you do subscribe because I upload every Friday and every Sunday. Every Friday is a professional development topic, and every Sunday is a technical review. Well, let's get to the content. Three Schools is a great website, and you'll notice that there are plenty of coding languages that the website has to help you start straight from the basics. I like to go to Python, for example. There's a Python Get Started even for you to get your feet wet with a programming language. W3 Schools has a plethora of resources to help you start straight from the basics, even to something that's a little bit more advanced. So I strongly suggest you check out this website. I've been using this to improve my JavaScript skills, for example, and there are some complex concepts in JavaScript that W3 Schools has helped me trudge through, to be honest with you. That's why I strongly recommend you try W3 Schools if you haven't done so. Overflow. Stack Overflow answers all of my questions when it comes to coding, for example. If I have an issue with an error for coding or for node package errors, Stack Overflow has been my savior when it comes to that. You can always ask a question in Stack Overflow. Make sure you log in. I'm just going to go ahead and log in with my GitHub. So Yogashri 1126. And then my password, if I remember my password, I'm probably going to save it. And then I have to use my verification code for GitHub. So we'll see how this goes. But you get the point. Let's see, 550096, go ahead and verify. Stack Overflow by Stack Exchange, authorize Stack Exchange. So ask a good question. You can ask as many questions as you like in Stack Overflow, and I'm just going to go straight to Stack Overflow and show you these ranges of questions that you can ask. So I strongly suggest you check out Stack Overflow anytime you have an issue with coding. Course can help you practice your languages in coding, for example, and this gives you a wide range of what kind of coding languages you want to practice with. I'm going ahead and click on JavaScript, and you'll notice that this code does not execute properly. Try to figure out why, and therefore you're supposed to figure out how you can solve this JavaScript code. I strongly suggest you try to attempt these code wars and try beginner, intermediate, or advanced, for example, and I can guarantee you that you'll become more proficient at coding. Four is Coursera. Coursera is where you can get a plethora of courses to learn about data science and coding, for example. These are just the suggested courses that show up based on what I've been working on in terms of data science and data analytics. But you can search in data analytics and you can see that there are a variety of courses that you want to take. So I'm just going to click on IBM Data Science, and there is a about of the course that you can take. I strongly suggest you check out Coursera, for example, and I've been using this to improve my coding skills and get a better understanding of data science and data analytics. And that's a wrap, everyone. Those were the few websites that have helped me when it comes to my coding skill improvement since my web development bootcamp back in 2017 through the University of Texas. As usual, please be sure to like this video, subscribe so you can get more content in oil and gas and professional development topics, and please be sure to comment on the video below on the YouTube platform so I can incorporate your feedback into future videos. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one.